Memphis 10, where we get it in. Money over everything. Chicks be fucking just to win. First 48 is the scene. I can kill a bitch dreams. How you see me in my jeans? Dion and I will be replacing my cold air intake, which I've already started taking apart. But pretty much just follow me on this journey. And yeah, I've already taken off the first sensor, and please forgive me if I don't mention the correct terms and the correct terminology. I'm just working right now, so please forgive me for that.
Now trying to get this PVC line removed. You can tell it ain't never been touched.
Yes. So obviously I'm the first person to ever work on this specific 5.7 liter 2016 Dodge Charger RT. Alright, air intake removed. This is very dirty. If you can see the inside.
It is.
Very, very dirty.
Got acorns and everything in there.
So obviously, whoever owned this car before, definitely. So the biggest problem we're running into right now would be
is this damn sensor. It don't want to.
Don't break my sensor, Dad.
Trying to get it. It don't want to go.
You just pull it.
You said you would pull it. You don't twist it out.
Twist it out, pull it up.
This thing is.
As y'all can see, I've broken. Let me see, focus. I've broken that part right here of the sensor. Right around here. Update. I got it in. Let's see, let me pull this up. I got it in after maybe 20 minutes of fighting with a sensor. That was the hardest part. Everything else is pretty much in there. That's the hardest part about doing the air intake. I'm putting it over here so the light don't necessarily interfere with what we got going on. But I told y'all we already, as y'all can see, let me take this off real quick. As y'all can see, we've replaced everything so far. The original air intake box, we've taken off the original.
So at first we had trouble putting on my cold air intake. Now we got trouble putting on T's.
So obviously cold air intakes are very hard to put on.
Or let me find out these companies just don't like us and they sending the wrong stuff.
It's because we black. Part we have to do is put what is it called?
The PCV line.
Yes. Yep, I already connected it to the airflow. I mean the air intake. Now just trying to put it back to the engine. Oh wait, you still can't see it, but y'all know what we do. Alright, so now it's time to see if we did everything correctly. Alright, let's see. My purse. for any comments or anything.
Hey, do that again. Alright, so you want me to rev it?
Yeah, let me see how it goes. I'm sorry. My seat is pulled all the way up. Alright, y'all. Alright, so you said what?
I said, like, can you hear the difference?
Yeah. Alright, so this is TeeAshvnti and the Break Chronicles. Took us about 45 minutes. It really didn't take that
About
long.
5 hours.
Feel like 5 hours with the sensor. It was the small pieces that we had the most problem out of, but we got everything together. Everything sounds pretty good. The car's not throwing any sensors, check engine lights or anything like that. So I think it's safe to say that we did it. Yeah, so tune in for my next video, and hope you guys enjoyed this. A girl putting on her own cold air intake, which is a simple mod, or you know, first mod, typically a first mod, or a very simple mod for other people, but a big mod for me considering it's my first mod. But thank you, subscribe, comment, like. Don't cut my call yet.
Yeah.
All right. TeeAshvnti, man.